Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I want you be like. 1. I want you to smile today. Reason, smiles can brighten every day's day. 2. I want you to have amazing day. Reason, good vibes are worth sharing. 3. I want you to try something new. Reason, new experiences make life exciting. 4. I want you to drink more water. Reason, staying hydrated helps you feel your best. 5. I want you to laugh at my jokes. Reason, even the cheesy ones deserve a chance. 6. I want you to believe in yourself. Reason, confidence helps you grow. 7. I want you to enjoy your favorite snacks. Reason, everyone deserves a tasty treat. 8. I want you to take a break. Reason, rest helps you recharge. 9. I want you to dance like nobody's watching. Reason, a fun break, perfection. 10. I want you to sing your favorite song. Reason, music lifted the mood. 11. I want you to finish what you started. Reason, small progress becomes big success. 12. I want you to stay positive. Reason, optimism makes challenges easier. 13. I want you to help someone today. Reason, kindness spreads quickly. 14. I want you to stop worrying so much. Reason, one step at a time is enough. 15. I want you to enjoy the little moments. Reason, they often becomes the best memory. 16. I want you to find the missing sock. Reason, it's been missing forever. 17. I want you to save me the last cookie. Reason, sharing is extra sweet. 18. I want you to teach me your best skill. Reason, learning from others is fun. 19. I want you to tell me your funniest story. Reason, great stories deserve to be shared. 20. I want you to keep chasing your goals. Reason, every step counts. 21. I want you to enjoy today's adventure. Reason, every day has something special. 22. I want you to cheer for your comrades. Reason, success is better when celebrated together. 23. I want you to be patient. Reason, good things often take time. 24. I want you to keep learning. Reason, knowledge opens new opportunities. 25. I want you to try your best. Reason, effort is something to be proud of. 26. I want you to remember to laugh. Reason, laughter is great for the mood. 27. I want you to enjoy the journey. Reason, adventure is part of the reward. 28. I want you to share your ideas. Reason, your creativity matters. 29. I want you to never give up too soon. Reason, persistence can lead to great results. 30. I want you to keep being awesome self. The world needs your unique personality. Sometimes I want you isn't about giving orders. It's about encouraging, supporting, and sharing a little fun. If you smile, then even one example, mission accomplished. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.